For days after Apple confirmed Siri AI would not launch in China, Huawei takes center stage with HarmonyOS 7, a next-generation operating system built on artificial intelligence. HarmonyOS 7 introduces an agent-native architecture powered by 2,000 AI agents, with Xiaoyi orchestrating over 2,100 system-level capabilities. The intent-as-service model lets users command and AI agents deliver, boasting a task execution rate over 90% and seamless integration across third-party apps. Powered by openPangu 2.0, HarmonyOS 7's Pro variant features 505 billion parameters and supports context windows up to 512,000 tokens, ensuring intelligent, uninterrupted experiences. Users experience a 15% performance boost over HarmonyOS 6.1, making everyday interactions faster and smarter. HarmonyOS now commands 19% of China's smartphone market, surpassing iOS for the first time in Q2 2025, marking Huawei's rise. Strategic partnerships with Trip for travel and Ant Medical for health data expand HarmonyOS 7's ecosystem and possibilities. HarmonyOS 7 is now in developer beta, with a stable release expected in autumn 2026, marking Huawei's leadership in AI-driven mobile innovation. Huawei fills the gap left by Apple, defines the future of mobile AI in China, and asserts its place at the forefront of technological progress.